So it is around 10 o'clock in the morning now, and Harry, what's happening?
We're going now.
It's emotional. What memories will you have? So we left Normandy around 10 o'clock and we then had a 7-hour journey to get to Pornic. So eventually we ended up stopping at petrol station and getting probably my favourite crisps in existence. Good friends at Vico giving us some sort of curly puff thing. Can I interest you in a curly puff? No! They're by Vico. They're by our favourite Vico. They're the original curly puff. Vico. So after 7 hours of travelling, we finally got to Pornic, and the weather was actually okay. To start with. No one cares about your chicken nugget. So we were walking along the coast and we found this walkway down to a beach, and it ended up being essentially a private beach. No one's here and it's actually really nice. Harry's just minding his own business eating his chicken nuggets. You right down there, Harry? Wow. So it's been raining now for, I'd say, at least 3 days non-stop. This has been the first time I ventured out the house for around a day. So we're going to some sort of restaurant in the middle of Pornic. Hopefully we won't get too rained on. Harry has a crepe, cashew crepe, and Mummy has. I'm guessing it's good. So it's been raining for 4 days now, and tomorrow, the day which we are meant to be, you know, travelling 8 hours, well, around about 10 to get home in the car. The temperature's going to be 31 degrees and sunny. So consider that our family's luck. But today is probably, I don't know, fifth attempt of catching fish. Harry, are you confident today? Oh.
It's the same kind of place that we've gone every single time.
Well, hopefully we're going to catch fish today. So
if we do, I'm going to take a selfie with it.
You're going to take a selfie with a fish?
Yes.
Dad's got one. Nice one.
It looks to me like a bream. Do you want to hold it, Hal?
Yeah. I think we should name him something. Name him Jerry. Let him go.